Shout out to fucking Corona, you heard. Men's is in the crib, getting paid and all that. You feel me? I mean, I've been consistent with these vids anyway. But now, niggas is on paid vacay again. I was just in New Orleans like 2 weeks ago. And now we back on vacation, you heard? So, what are we gonna do with that time? We are gonna do mad content, you heard? Mad content. So, first Corona video. First quarantine video. Gotta think of a name. Quarantine Wonder? Nah. I don't know. What should I name this series? I low-key might. Nah, I don't even want to say that. Videos are definitely gonna be more frequent than bi-weekly though, for sure. For sure. But today, as you already know, I'm trying to beat my high score, you feel me? Mans is going for the perfect. Oh, I forgot I was playing with Venom. Mans is going for the perfect score, you heard? I haven't played in a minute, so if I'm rusty, I'm rusty. Good start.
Nice throw.
Perfect start, actually. Speaking of New Orleans, go watch that vlog if you haven't already. It's mad long, but it's entertaining, I promise. Double. Here we go. Only, what? 11 more of those? Nah. How many frames is it? 3, 6, 9 more? I could do that. That's like... Yo! If I could knock down all the pins, so now my B button don't want to work. Come on, bro.
Nice spare.
Like, what kind of shit, bro?
Nice throw.
Come on, like, they robbed me of that turkey, bro.
Nice throw.
Can I get the turkey now, please? I'm gonna do, last video I did 1 game, I'm gonna do 2 games this video. We're gonna get this perfect. Before this quarantine is over, we're gonna get this perfect game. That's a fucking fact. I'm fucking up, bro.
Nice spare.
Alright, no missed pins yet, so it's not terrible. Yo! But how are y'all doing?
Nice spare.
How's the Corona treating y'all? Oh, you just not gonna say nothing? Alright. Strike on that ass. What are you talking about? Like, can I get a turkey, bro? Like, yo! Yeah, I'm rusty, bro. I could feel it. Like, it's just not right. But it's alright. This is the warm-up game. We not missing no pins, though. I promise you that. Promise you that. This gonna be the turkey. The last 3 frames. 1. Yes, sir. 2. Woo! Oh my god! Let's see if I can get this spare. Let me look. Yo! The last pin? What kind of shit is that? Alright, one more game. That's the warm up, bro. My arms are smoked, man. It's just did some push ups. Not even gonna lie to you. What the fuck? If I at least don't miss any pins this game, I'll be satisfied.
Nice throw. Nice
Can
throw.
I get a turkey, please? Pretty, please? Yes, sir.
Nice throw.
Turkey. You gotta tighten the abs. That's what it is. You gotta get your core section nice and tight. You heard? What was that, a fourth? This is about to be a fifth. Speaking of core, we about to get that six pack. Oh, niggas almost G'd me, bro. Almost. Alright, y'all ready for this six pack? Yes, sir!
Nice throw.
What is it? I forgot what it says. 7 pack? Oh, this B button, bro. Fuck! That B button, bro. Don't fuck with me. We still ain't miss no pins, so far I'm content. But I think I got like an 8 pack or something in my other video. Go watch that. Go watch the New Orleans vlog. You heard me? Woo! That shit just felt right. Just rolling off the wrist. This is definitely an improvement. You see that curve, bro? Stop playing with me, dope. Alright, let's get this turkey. That tight. Yo, they G me. They keep G me on the last thing, bro. Well, didn't fucking do it. Oh shit, I hit a record. That's cool. I wonder what my, let's see what my record is for Will Smith. The record for Will Smith is 267. Is that the same exact score? I don't know. I'm gonna turn this shit off. I'm not about to quit this game. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Yeah. See me maybe even before next Wednesday for the next Dreadlock Wonder Wednesday, you heard? But shout out to Corona. As far as, you know, paid time off, just a hard reset. Let me mute this. A hard reset on life. Like, I'm not religious, but a few people were saying, yo, y'all keep fucking up. I'm out to show y'all what's really important and shit, and that's dope, you know. Yeah, bro. It's a lot of shit that we take for granted, you know, as people, especially in 2020 with all this technology and like social media. And it's like, all this shit could be done like that, bro. I just snap on my left. But for real, yo, all this shit is like, bro, it's not as important as we think. And now it's just, we've seen it. So, if you watch this long, shout out to fucking you, bro, deadass. But, yeah. If you have time off and you're fortunate enough to be paid, whether you are or you aren't, you should still be busy, and get some work done. Anything you've been wanting to do, you wanted to clean your house, you wanted to clean your car, start a podcast, start a business, whatever it is, you got time, bro, and you don't. It's not even like, oh, I'm on vacation. Like, nah, you in the house, bro. So get this work. That's a fact, bro. Make time. Make use of this time, and yeah, bro. Wash your fucking hands, you heard? Cause y'all niggas is dirty, boy. Dirty boys. But yeah, this is Dreadlock Wonder, and I'm signing out. Peace.